Morning. Right, I had started this painting ages ago and realised how much of a faff it was doing tiny little bits of grass. So I got onto the Famui website, my current favourite suppliers, and I got these brushes. I'll put you the link for them down in the video description and for the little book. And I've got a discount code for you as well on these, which is on, well, all the Famui stuff, which is handy because I do have to pay for all this too. This is not sponsored. I'm just quite taken by their products. Right, so I'm wetting my brush. Isn't it weird? I should probably use it to actually pick up the paint as well, rather than use a separate brush. But we're going for this shade of green. Some of the paints in this palette aren't Famui, by the way. I have refilled some of them. I have got a nice new one. Oh, on that topic, they've upgraded their they've upgraded their palette. And it now comes with 2 white areas. You can see I started using this one too. It comes with 2 proper recessed white areas for your palette, but that's the standard Famui colours. I'm just trying to use what's left of them in here with what I've refilled it with before I dive into using the new palette too much. So these are probably not what you're supposed to mix the paints with, but hey. Let's have a sort of duller green. I'm messing up the paint really badly here, aren't I? I should clean my brush in between. But let's try. Let's see. What's this going to do? Oh, cool. That's a lot easier. Well, you can just watch me do this for a bit then. I think it's verdict time already, don't you? Where have these been all my life? If this doesn't count as a painting hack, I don't know what does. As you probably know, I'm only recently learning to do watercolours, but I used to paint with acrylics in the many, we're probably talking 30 or 40 years ago or something, since I last did, proper painting. And a lot of them, I don't know, maybe these were around and I wasn't aware of them. But I certainly haven't come across them until I saw them in one of Famui's adverts on Facebook, of all things. And I knew the paints were good. I'd already got the books and the paints and things. So I thought, well, yeah. And I knew their other brushes were good. So this was a bit of a no-brainer for me. I don't know what else to say. Look how natural and nice that looks. I'm going to put in a bit stronger at the front. I might soften this bit that I did before. By the way, this is a scene of the Church of the Ascension at Mapleborough Green. It's just down the road from us, and it's where Mark walks his mum's little dog. And strengthen this here a little bit, because now that looks a little bit weak compared to this. And then I think I'm going to show Mark the painting he'd asked me to do. I'm going to have a go at painting this out in the... actually out there live. They call it in plein air. Actually, yeah, at some point. Just going to let this dry a little bit in this corner. So I'm just running some water through this bit now to soften it, actually, where I did before. There we go. Hopefully that's softened it a bit. The bit I did on the left now looks more like bulrushes. I don't suppose it matters what it looks like. That was all done with a very tiny brush. Yes, to me, this is a proper painting hack. This is amazing. Love the brushes. Nice one for Famui. Yeah. Okay, stuck for words. Time to stop waffling. Bye.